the stack, world-renowned. If you want it off the ground, there is nothing like a crown for picking it up and putting it down.
Și pinuri, vădăm să aveți, să ardeți în chinuri. Vrei să dăm explicații ca și viața în tânui. Vrei mașini cu loc, să n-aveți loc și voi. Vrei să vă lăsăm.
What are you doing, you fucking idiot? What the freak you doing, mate? Get out! Then, but yeah. Whatever. You got a while to travel. I guess just stay in the empty lane while you can. Good. Nice. Holy. Excuse the language.
It's okay.
Well, that was close. Whoa.
Red light speed camera ahead. The speed limit is 80 kilometers.
Seriously, you fucking idiot. And you.
Okay, you're way behind and you haven't got a fucking clue.
Start with the one-tuning, guys. You're a dick. And then brake checks me. Same to you, mate.
You lost your ladder. Where's your ladder, dick? You fuckwit.
Page. Behind her. Flasher. Turn the lights off and off. No. Worry about it. Check lights. Touch lights. She's not getting it.
Some people are really fucking stupid.
All you can.
tried to run me off the road.
I'm the best there is, plain and simple. I mean, I wake up in the morning, I piss excellence.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
Whoa. What the fuck? Okay. How the hell did that guy wind up coming up the wrong way on a fucking motorway?
So you offering for this? That's a gross inconvenience. I mean, it's unbelievable. I'll find that one out separately. These are the people that want to stay in a hotel. Right. I also need to know because I need to make the hotel fares.
Is there a hotel here?
Or nearby.
This motherfucker lost a fridge. That's a stove. Oh fuck, hope you didn't order a stove. Just went off the back of the guy's ute. Oh Jesus.
Jesus Christ.
Who's your child's father?
For fuck's sake.
My ex-husband.
That's as high as you get.
What do you?
That's as high as you get.
What the fuck are you doing? Dickhead.
And that's based on your research.
No, it's based on what I'm talking to. It's based on most people.
Older men that wear hats while driving.
Older.
Terrible.
Fuck this shit, I'm out. No thanks. Don't mind me. I'ma just grab my stuff and leave.
I would do something like that. And it is a slightly crazy streak. Yeah.
It's like when you see a car in front of you at traffic lights and it doesn't move. And doesn't move and it doesn't move. So you get out and you say, haven't we got a colour you like? Oh, he did. He ran into the back. Look. Ran into the back of the vehicle. Look. Just ran into the back of that vehicle in front of him.
Yep. Yep, not paying attention, she hit him.
Yep.
Well, you're going to have to...
Any of you boys seen an aircraft carrier around here?
Now what you going to do? Completely block the road?
Yep.
Move over, you silly cow.
What are you doing there?
I was just going to say you did rude animal shapes. Come on, I'm not that immature. Weeknights from 6 Gold 104.3. Good afternoon to you, Melbourne. Or is it? If you're not looking or feeling your best, it may not be so good. EBDG opens at 8 tomorrow morning. Call us.
Dr. Harry Margaret here. Let us take care of you.
Using the latest technology to treat teeth grinding with a number of options including injectables. And in no time you'll be striding out on your favourite Melbourne walking trail.
ebdg.com.au. It's dentist.
Oh, you just went through a red light, you dick. Wow. And I wonder why cyclists get hit.
Freak.
Oh my god! That's great! Look at that shark! Wow!